Haba, good morning, bonjour, ni hao. Thanks so much for getting back to the podcast. We have an amazing guest with us today. Ahmed, I would like to introduce yourself into the program and give more details about yourself.
Thank you so much for having me, Mohamed. My name is Ahmad Yakzan. I am the owner of the American Dream Law Office. We are an international law office specializing in U.S. immigration law. The one thing that distinguishes us from everybody else is that I've gone through the process myself, all the way from being on a student visa in 1999, all the way to becoming a United States citizen. So we understand what our clients are going through and what it means for them to reach their American dream. So we do everything possible for them to help them reach their American dream as fast as possible. So we're here to help anybody who's trying to immigrate to the United States, whether through an investment visa, whether through an an employment-based visa, or a family petition. We're here to help.
Amazing. So you have done the whole thing. You studied as a student immigrant to the US, and then you apply to be a US citizen, and then you become a lawyer, and then you start your own immigration firm, and then you're helping other immigrants. So you're a kind of example of the true American dream.
Yes, sir.
That's okay, perfectly. And one of the things always, I mean, when we get introduced to each other a couple of years ago, when the idea coming into why choose it the American dream? I mean, it's actually everyone knows the American dream, but why you choose to name your firm the American dream? And did you think anyone else have used the name before?
I don't
Or
think anybody has ever used. I came up with the idea when I was in the shower. I'm being very honest with you. I was like, where am I gonna get? What URL am I gonna get? And I went and got. I'm like, I went to GoDaddy and checked AmericanDreamLawOffice.com, and it was available. I'm like, okay, that's what we're gonna start to call ourselves, as the American Dream Law Office. And honestly, I tell people I've been in your shoes. So again, I've been through every single step of the process of attaining the American dream. That's why I call it the American Dream Law.
I mean, so you actually registered the name before practicing a lawyer? You just
No.
the name.
I actually gone through a very long process in the United States, all the way when I got my green card in 2015. I opened my own office in St. Petersburg, Florida. That's where I went to law school. I went on my own in June of 2015, and that's when I started my own practice. So I've been practicing for about 15 years. I've had my own practice for 9 years though. So I waited until I passed the bar in 2011, and then in 2015 I went on my own and opened my own practice.
That's amazing. That's amazing. That's an incredible journey.